Welcome to Image Designer. In this particular video, we will be seeing how we can make this interesting loading animation. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is that you first of all have to create this particular circle. So let's just create that. You have to go to the circle, make a normal circle of any size, and then you can see this small dot which is called arc. Just click on it and then do this dragging thing. Just drag it till over here, then don't leave your mouse click, just drag again. You have to keep dragging, you just don't have to leave your mouse anytime. Now that you are over here, straight line, now you can leave your mouse at the 50% sweep. Great, you have done this. Now go to the middle point which says ratio 0%. Just click and drag. You just have to set a width which looks good to you. Now maybe this is fine. Now what you have to do is that go back to this particular point and then you have to drag again, click and drag, make a complete circle. Done, leave it on that point, complete. Now it's done. Now you have to make that small pie thing which actually rotates in a circle. Just leave this circle. Now just make a copy of it. You've made a copy of it. Now go to this particular point which says sweep 100%, click and drag to 25%. Done. Now you have this pie. Now just click on this, go to this corner radius. You can make the corner radius 100% so it looks like this. And now what you have to do is that select, you have this thing and this particular circle, select both of them, go to this part and go to this align vertical center. When you click on this, they get aligned. Now just click on this ellipse 5. This is your pie. Now in the pie you can set any color which you want. Just select both of them together. You just have to go to this diamond shaped thing and click on it. Now you have made a component of it, right? This is your component 7. That is number 1, your first pie. Now your first pie, you can, when you click on the first pie, you will see a diamond. Now it is not here. When you click on this diamond and plus thing appears, you have to click on add variant. Click on add variant, you have second variant. Now from this plus option you can create more variants. Let's just create 4 variants for now, and then these all will be your loading screens. Done. Now you have to go to your second variant. So your first variant is when your pie is over here. Now your second variant would be when your pie goes on this direction. Now make sure that you don't select the complete variant, just select this pink thing. You just have to select the pie and not the eclipse, just the pie, make sure. Okay, now from the second variant you are selecting the pie part and you have to rotate it over here. Now the trick to rotate it over here is that just press shift and then rotate. When you press shift and rotate, it snaps to degrees and you can easily snap to 90 degree. Now go to this one, select only the pie, not the eclipse, only the pie, shift and rotate. This one is done. So we have 4 variants now. Now most of your part is done. Now you have to do the prototype. Then go to the prototype part, select this circle, this blue thing, attach it to the second variant. Don't change anything, just click outside. Click on the second variant, click and drag to this part, click outside. Third variant, click and drag to this part, click outside, don't do anything. Fourth variant, you want to come back to the first one because it's a loop. Attach this one, click outside. Now just select all your variants, number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. Now go to the prototype over here. You see interaction, click on this. Instead of on click after delay. After delay, click on 1 milliseconds. Change to let it be mixed and go over here. 400 milliseconds would be fine. And then now click on the first variant, alt drag. You're taking a copy of it on your screen. Done. Play this one and you will see the magic. Play. And you just created a loading screen. That was so simple.